Hello friends, today we learn household vocabulary. So let's start. Bed, bed, sofa, sofa, table, table, chair, chair, almirah, almirah, LED TV, LED TV, printer, printer, cooler, cooler, fork, fork, cup, cup, kitchen hood, kitchen hood, electric kettle, electric kettle, knife, knife, bowl, bowl, scissor, scissor, scraper, scraper, plate, plate, glass, glass, pestle, pestle, water dispenser, water dispenser, tray, tray, bottle, bottle, grater, grater, jar, jar, mug, mug, pan, pan, jug, jug, teapot, teapot, torch, torch, pot, pot, pressure cooker, pressure cooker, mixer grinder, mixer grinder, towel, towel, geyser, geyser, apron, apron, refrigerator, refrigerator, gas stove, gas stove, coffee maker, coffee maker, rolling pin, rolling pin, toaster, toaster, sink, sink, spatula, spatula, umbrella, umbrella, stapler, stapler, radio, radio, swing machine, swing machine, lamp, lamp, blanket, blanket, raincoat, raincoat, basket, basket, tub, tub, bucket, bucket, watch, watch, charger, charger, table, fan, table, fan. Okay friends, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.